Hi, my name is Fong, and my presentation is on UX versus UI. Now, what is UX and what is UI? UX stands for user experience. It is enhancing user satisfaction by improving the usability, accessibility, and efficiency of the user interaction with the product. UI stands for user interface. A UI is the design of the user interface for machines and software, such as computers, home appliances, mobile devices, and other electronic devices. Now, many people still think that UX and UI are the same, but it's not. They are very much related and go hand in hand. The UX is more related to the analysis and technical part, and UI is more related to the designing part. The role of the UX designer is to research and design, and the UI designer is to design and make the actual product. The UX designer needs to understand and analyze the needs of the users to formulate concept and design ideas that meets the user's expectations as closely as possible. As a UX designer, they help solve problems, so it's a key to build a solid understanding of what they are trying to solve. In order to do this, some of the things that UX designer could do is use these kind of methods: interviews, surveys, and usability testings. After the UX designer completes their research, one method is to use a user persona. A user persona is a representation of a type of customer. So one persona template represents a group of customers that have similar goals. For example, this template is for customers who want something to help them with searching for flights. So their goals are spending less time booking flights, maximize loyalty points and rewards, and to help narrow down options so they don't have to spend so much time exploring other websites. A UX designer needs to know the standard design tools, such as using a wireframe and sketch to create a very simple model product. This slide shows some of the symbols UX designer uses. It can be simple as a box with an X represent in it, represent an image or image holder, a text block, menu bar, video player, and a rectangle with a button side. So design of a button. This is an example of a wireframe. They use the box here, the image, another image, or they can actually input text into the wireframe as shown. Here is a sketch. A hand sketch looks like this. A hand sketch and a digital wireframe can utilize the same or similar symbols. After the research and analysis is done by the UX designer, they will collaborate with the UI designer to create the wireframe. After the collaboration is done, it is the duty of the UI designer to translate the wireframes and all the concepts into the actual product. Therefore, apart from having a design skill set, the UI designer needs to know the programming language used to design the front end of the application. And of course, it depends on the application as well as the technology the company uses for the front end development. After the UI has complete and develop the front end of the product. The back end developer will do their part and integrate with the front end. The UI designer will focus on developing images, fonts, colors, and visual identity. And here are some free wireframe tools for anyone that is interested playing around. The first one is Pencil Project, and you could use in Windows, Linux, or Mac. This one is available as a Firefox add-on, but also can be as a standalone application in Linux and Windows. The second one is Mock Plus. You could use for a Mac or Windows, Androids, or iOS. Mock Plus is a quick wireframe tool that enables you to do a perfect wireframe and prototype. And the next one is iDoc. Its platform that you could use in is a Mac, Windows, Android, or iOS. And the last one is a Wireframe CC. This is an online wireframe tool, so it's web-based. So this is kind of neat that you could use on any kind of platform. It features a simple interface that you could use for wireframe or sketch. Thank you. This is my presentation.